Wayne Mitchell, better known as Wayne Marshall, is a renowned Jamaican reggae and dancehall artist, famous for his seamless fusion of dancehall, reggae, and hip-hop. Born on April 9, 1980, in Kingston, Jamaica, Marshall's journey into the music world has been a blend of talent, persistence, and a deep connection to his roots. His versatility as both a singer and songwriter has earned him a distinctive place in Jamaica's rich musical landscape. Early life and musical beginnings. Growing up in Kingston, Wayne Marshall was surrounded by the vibrant sounds of reggae and dancehall, which became a significant influence on his musical direction. His passion for music started at an early age, and by his teenage years, he was already writing songs and working on honing his craft. He gained significant recognition in the early 2000s, rising through the ranks of Jamaica's competitive dancehall scene. Wayne's breakthrough came when he signed with the record label G-Jam Music. His ability to incorporate elements of reggae and dancehall with hip-hop made him stand out among his peers. This fusion of genres became a signature of his work, appealing to a broad audience both in Jamaica and internationally. Career. Wayne Marshall's career is marked by numerous hit singles and collaborations with some of the biggest names in reggae and dancehall. His debut album, Martial Law, 2003, featured tracks like Overcome and Why, establishing him as a talented artist with a fresh sound. However, it was his collaborations with artists such as Sean Paul, Damian Marley, and Bounty Killer that truly elevated his status in the dancehall world. One of his most notable collaborations came with Damian Marley on the track Go Hard, which featured an all-star lineup including Idonia, Bounty Killer, Vybz Kartel, and others. This track became a massive hit and solidified Wayne Marshall's reputation as a heavyweight in the industry. In 2013, Wayne Marshall released his second album, True Colors, under Ghetto Youths International, a label run by the Marley Brothers. The album featured collaborations with artists like Terrace Riley, Assassin, and Damian Marley, showcasing his evolution as an artist. Hits like Stupid Money and I Know reflected his growth and maturity in the industry, mixing hard-hitting dancehall rhythms with conscious lyrics. Personal life and family. Wayne Marshall is married to Tammy Chin, a well-known Jamaican singer and YouTuber. Together, they have a family of 5 children and are admired as one of Jamaica's favorite celebrity couples. Their YouTube channel, Meet the Mitchells, gives fans a glimpse into their family life, balancing fame with the everyday challenges of parenting and marriage, lifestyle and values. Despite his fame, Wayne Marshall remains grounded and focused on his family and faith. He is a devout Christian and has spoken openly about how his faith plays a crucial role in his life and music. This spirituality is evident in his more recent work, where he often addresses themes of love, gratitude, and personal growth. Net worth and legacy. As of 2024, Wayne Marshall's estimated net worth is around $1.5 million. His earnings come from his successful music career, live performances, and his role as a brand ambassador. Additionally, his family's YouTube channel has become a popular platform, contributing to his financial success. Wayne Marshall's legacy in reggae and dancehall is one of innovation and influence. His ability to blend genres, work with iconic artists, and stay true to his roots makes him a unique figure in Jamaican music. Through his music and family, Wayne Marshall continues to inspire and connect with audiences worldwide.